Today in front of me is Lenovo Legend, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and then here you'll see the NFC section. As can you see, the NFC is activated. Just to turn it off, you should click here once on the switcher near the NFC, and to turn it on again, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Here we can open the notification panel, and somewhere if you can't see and find the NFC icon, like in my case, we can here click on the on the edit icon here, and by this way we can just activate the settings, and we can edit notification panel, and we can add here the NFC icon. Just to add it to your top bar, you should hold for a while it from this down section and drag it here to the up, and now just will go back, and you can see that we just successfully added here the NFC icon. Just to turn it on or turn it off, you should click on this icon by this way. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.